Hello everyone, this is the third lecture of Introduction to JavaScript. In this lecture, we learn about the operators and type of. The next point is the operator. Operators, an operator perform the some operation on a single or a multiple operands, means data values, and produce a results. In operator, there are the 5 types, and the first type is the arithmetic operators. JavaScript support the following arithmetic operators. Assume the variable a holds 10 value and variable b holds the 20. Then the first operation in the arithmetical operator is the plus. It means addition of the two operands. Here the a and b, these are the two operands, and the symbol plus is the operator. It will gives the values 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. Next is the subtraction. Subtract the second operand from the first, means a minus b will give the minus 10. Third is the multiplication. It multiply both operands. A into b will give the value is a 200. Next is the division. Divide the numerator by the denominator, means b divided by a will give the value 2. Fifth one is the modulus. Outputs the remainder of an integer division. b mod a will give the value is a 0. Sixth one is the increment operator. It increases an integer value by 1. a plus plus will give the value as a 11. Seventh operator is a decrement. It decreases an integer value by 1. A minus minus will give the value is a 9. Addition operator plus works for the numeric as well as string, that is a plus 10, it will give the value as a 10. Here the value a, which is enclosed in a double quotation, this value is considered as a string value, and plus is the operator. Value 10 is a considered as a numeric value because which is not enclosed in a double quotation. Then the value or the output of that output is that a10, which is enclosed in a double quotation, means the data type of the result is the string. Here is the example of an arithmetical operator. The JavaScript program, which is enclosed in the HTML basic structure. All of you know about the HTML basic structure, with having the two sections. The first one is the heading section and second one is the body section. In the heading section, there is only one tag, which is the title tag, and in the body section we must add the JavaScript file. Here the HTML body and the script type is equal to text_JavaScript. Look at the if line, which is ended with the semicolon, means it is the starting of the JavaScript code. Here the var a is equal to 33 semicolon, the value 33 which is stored in the variable a and which having the data type var, but according to the value we can identify the type of a data which is a numeric. Second variable is a var b is equal to 10. According to the value we can identify the variable b is also numeric data. Third variable is a var c is equal to double quotation text. This value is enclosed in a double quotation, so this value is the string value and which is stored in the variable c. Fourth is the var line break is equal to double quotation tag br/br tag complete. Here the tag br, which is the stored in the variable line break. Next line is the document.write simple bracket double quotation a plus b is equal to quotation complete simple bracket complete semicolon. Result is equal to a plus b semicolon. Document.write result, document.write line break. Here the first document.write a plus b is equal to means this line displays the a plus b is equal to, and the second line result is equal to a plus b means the value of a variable is a 33 and plus operator value of b variable is a 10, which is added here and which is stored in the result, and this result is displayed by that line, that is document.write and result. Here the 33 plus 10 is equal to 43, which is displayed by this line. Then the next line is a document.write line break, means this after the 43 the line is break and go to the cursor on the next line. Document.write simple bracket double quotation a minus b is equal to quotation complete bracket semicolon. Here this line display the a minus b is equal to, and the result is equal to a minus b means the value of a is a 33 and value of b is a 10. 33 minus 10 is equal to 23, which is stored in the result and it is displayed by that line, that is document.write result. Then the document.write line break, here the line is also breaked here. Here the end of the script, tag p, set the variables to different values and then try body slash html. Here the value of a plus b is equal to 43, a minus b is equal to 23. This is the output of that particular program. This is the another example of a arithmetical operator. In this example I used the multiplication operator and the division operator. Let's see. Tag html, tag body, tag script, type is equal to text oblique javascript, var a is equal to 80 semicolon, var b is equal to 4 semicolon, var c is equal to test, var line break is equal to in double quotation tag br, document.write in simple bracket a into b is equal to quotation complete bracket, result is equal to a into b semicolon. Document.write result semicolon, document.write line break, document.write a divided by b, result is equal to a divided by b, document.write result, document.write line break. End of the script, end of the body and end of the HTML. In this program I used the multiplication and division operator. Variable a holds the value 80, variable b holds the value 4, variable line break holds the tag break, and the result is the which operations perform on the operand. This stored in the result. In the operators, the variable is called as operands, and the value operations which is performed on that operand is called as a operator. So in this program a and b both are the operands, and multiplication and the division, these symbols are called as operators. Let's see. The document.write a into b means the variable value of operand a is 80 multiplied by the value of operand b is a 4. 80 into 4 is equal to 320, which is displayed here. After that the line is broken and again document.write a divided by b means the both operands having a operator division. A division b means a is divided by b, so the value of a is 80 and value of b is 4, so the output is the a divided by is equal. In today's lecture we discuss the point operator, types of operator. In the types of operator we see the arithmetical operator. In the arithmetical operator there are the some operators which are the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment and decrement.